Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into an amazing opportunity that can help you make money even while you catch those Z's. Yes, we're talking about affiliate marketing. Now I can almost hear you asking, what exactly is affiliate marketing? How can I make money from it? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not just know what affiliate marketing is, but how to jumpstart your journey as an affiliate marketer. Let's get right into it. First off, affiliate marketing is, in simple words, promoting other people's or companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Think of it as being a matchmaker between the buyers and sellers, and you get paid for introducing them. Here's how it works, step by step. 1. Choose a niche. Find a topic that you are passionate about. It could be health, tech, beauty, or finance, anything. Focus on a niche where you can build authority. 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you have your niche, join affiliate programs related to it. There are plenty like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. These platforms will provide you with unique links to share. 3. Create quality content. Now that you have your affiliate links, it's time to share them with the world. You can create blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, whatever suits your style. Just focus on providing value. The more helpful you are, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations. For instance, I created a YouTube video reviewing a specific camera. In the description, I included my affiliate link. Each time someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, I earn a commission. It's that simple. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How can I really make money while I sleep? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. After you create and publish your content, it can continue to generate income without needing constant work. Imagine waking up to notifications saying, you've made money overnight. The more quality content you create, the more opportunities to earn passive income. It's like planting seeds that over time grow into a flourishing garden. Now, let's tackle the elephant in the room. Is it really that easy? The short answer, no, but you can efficiently set yourself up for success. Consistency, dedication, and learning from failures are the keys to thriving in affiliate marketing. Start small, be patient, and never stop learning. Here's a pro tip. Keep track of your metrics. Use tools like Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards to see what's working and what's not. This information is gold. It'll help you refine your strategy and get better results. To wrap things up, here are a few last tips. 1. Start with trust. Build credibility with your audience by being honest and transparent about products. Only promote things you genuinely believe in. 2. Diversify your income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple affiliate programs and platforms. 3. Keep learning. The online marketing realm is always evolving. Stay updated on trends and practices that can elevate your affiliate marketing game. So, if you've been curious about earning money while you sleep, affiliate marketing is a fantastic avenue to explore. Remember, every big success story starts with the first step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and tap the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to help you out on your journey. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.